The concept which is very central to effective personal management is having a definitive vision for one's life. For those who dare to dream, there is a whole world to win. Dreams have inspired humans to achieve most amazing and marvelous things in their lives. The world has grown this far, transcending even the imaginations of human beings, because there was always someone to dream big, dream strong, as well as dream long. Gray Haven was the CEO of Women's Only Fitness Center in United States, which had a chain of fitness centers in United States. The motivation for her to start the fitness center was the death of her own mother. When she was just 13 years old, one day as she was walking into the bedroom of her mother, she found her mother to be dead because of high blood pressure as well as various other sickness. And she knew her mother could have been saved if she had a proper program of diet as well as possibilities for exercising, and because of which Gray Haven started this Women's Only Fitness Center in order to make sure that hundreds of women are helped to stay fit. And in one of the interviews, she said, "Our aim is to catch McDonald's, for they are exporting high fat, and I wish to export best health possibilities." The vision have inspired humans to make big changes. If our vision is limited to a TV program, if our vision for life is limited to a computer game, we make choices based on what is just before us. It would not enable one to lead a life which is effective for oneself as well as for others. Our vision should enable to make changes and differences in our own lives, a positive differences in the lives of people around us. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. Today, it is very useless to talk about saving few minutes when we do not have a proper direction for our lives. It is useless to talk about speed in life when we do not know the direction to which we are moving. It is said, persons who have vision are able to transcend the difficulties, issues and problems of their lives and are able to carve out a better future for themselves. Viktor Frankl, who was staying in the Nazi concentration camps, during his observation found that the persons who had future-focused vision, they were able to suffer the difficulties of the concentration camps and still remain alive. The children who have got a future-focused role are able to face the problems of their scholastic life well, and they are able to perform very well scholastically, as well as in the future they are able to handle their life problems much better. Teams and organizations which have effective vision are able to perform much better than the ones who do not have the same. When someone has an effective vision for himself as well as the organization that he leads, he will have the ability to transcend all fear, all doubts, all distractions and take it to the high realms of success. Effective personal management demands having an effective vision for oneself as well as a vision for the organization that one he is leading to. Vision gives a sense of purpose and direction in life. It helps us to say yes to the time savers, and it enables us to say no to the time wasters, and helps us to focus on our lives and to give a new direction and a plan for our life.